Hey guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Learn Dutch through English lessons by ifactner.com. In this lesson, we are going to learn what different body parts are called in Dutch. Body parts, lichaamsdelen. Lichaams mean body and delen means parts. L E C H A A M S lichaams. Delen D E L E N delen lichaamsdelen. Arm arm A R M arm arm R with thrill R arm. Beard Bart B A A R D Bart Bart Bart. Bone Bot B O T Bot Bot Bot. Brain Brain B R A E N brain brain brain. Chin Kin K A E N kin K E N kin K E N kin. Ear or O O R or or or. Eye oog O O G oog oog oog. Face gezicht G E Z I C H T gezicht gezicht gezicht. Finger finger V I N G E R finger 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 finger. Fist fust F U I S T fust fust fust. Foot foot F O A T foot foot foot. Here haar A A R haar haar haar. Hand hand H A N D hand hand hand. Heart heart H A R T heart heart heart. Kidney near N E R I R near near near. Knee is knie, so in Dutch we pronounce ka K N E A knie knie knie. Lip is lip and lips are called lippen 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 L A P P A N lippen. Liver is called lever L A F A R, Lafer, Lafer, Lafer. It's between V is pronounced between F and V, Lafer. Lung, long, long, L O N G, long, long, long. Moustache is called snore, S-N-O-R, snore, snore, snore. Muscle, spear, S-P-E-A-R, spear, spear, spear. Nail, Nachel, N-A-G-E-L, Nachel, 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 Nachel. Neck, neck, N-A-K, neck, neck, N-A-K, neck. Nose, nose, N-A-U-S, nose, nose, nose. Rib, rib, R-E-B, rib, rib. It's R is with the thrill, rib. Thumb, dumb, D-O-A-M-E-M, dumb, dumb, dumb. Tooth, tanned, T-A-N-D, tanned, 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 tanned. And guys and girls, that was our lesson. As a practice session, please repeat after me in the whole video. And if you would like to download the PDF of this presentation, then please go to ifactner.com. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Dag, doei.